Hi everyone, Donut here. We haven't seen a shooting breakdown this intense in quite a while. Intense. Why, yes, I'm going to keep using that joke, and you cannot stop me from doing it. Guys, Daytona, Florida. It would be a Florida man in one of the most intense shooting breakdowns I've ever seen. Daytona Beach Police Department officers and Holly Hill Police Department officers responded to a tip that there was an attempted murder suspect hiding inside some apartments. We're only going to be looking at this body camera footage through one angle because that's all you need to see. This freaking stud. Officers arrive, they start talking with a man who says, yeah, Mikey Mike Harris is inside, which matches the name of the person who they're looking for attempted murder. And officers say, hey man, you want to open this door for us?
Can you open this door for me, please? His name is Micah Harris. They call him Michael Mike.
And opens the door he does. As soon as Officer Stud here enters the department, you see the suspect run to a bedroom and close the door. This officer does not hesitate. He goes immediately for the door and kicks it open.
Police department, show me your hands! Hands! Hands!
He's in that door.
Hands! Go!
But unfortunately, he gets shot in the chest and goes down to the right inside the little kitchen area. I just realized that we haven't been using my high-tech, super secret, super amazing, super expensive crime scene recreation software. Why have I been keeping that from you fine people? Apartment. Door. Hallway. Oh, this sucks. Hold on. Bedroom. Hallway. Kitchen. Officer Stud comes in right here through the door. Gets to about right here. Suspect starts shooting at him from right here. Officer Stud falls into the kitchen, which is where he posts up looking towards the bedroom that the suspect is in. Oh, also there's a woman trapped in here somewhere. That's where the screaming comes from. Does this warrior lay down and scream and call the ambu? No, he stands back up and lays down some hate, my guys.
Hands! Go! Go! Fucker! Put the gun down!
And boy, is he pissed. I mean, you just got shot in the chest. I'd be pretty mad about that too.
Hands up! Put your hands up! Hands up! I'm hit.
All right, we got hey, one of they told us hit. No!
Open that door!
Who else we got in here?
Hey! The woman that's screaming! You need to put your hands up right now and open that door!
I think that the initial burst from this officer after he got up and he was pissed after getting shot in the chest, as anyone would be, got the guy, because I feel like you can hear him right here.
Get back.
Shit.
Here, watch out. Hey,
He's open the door. That's me.
open the door right now! We're not gonna shoot you! Open the door!
Open the door. We're not going to shoot. Open the door.
He's in front of the door.
He's in front of the door.
He's not. Listen. Look, you must both my hands. You must both my hands.
Okay, I see your fingers. Shut the door open.
Listen.
Come to the side of my voice. Just come to the side of my voice. Follow me.
Okay.
All right, she's coming out. She's coming out. Come to me, sweetie. Come to me. Yeah, I got you. Come to me. Come to me.
Please don't shoot.
I'm not shooting. Come to me. Come to me. Get out the door. Right out the door. I'm coming out. I'm coming out. Yo, secure her. Secure her.
Where is he at? Who can see him?
She's down in front of the door.
Get out of the doorway!
Yesterday. God, listen to me. Please call the ambulance. Call the ambulance, please. Please call the ambulance.
Yeah, you good, boss?
Hey, I'm hit in the chest.
The woman finally comes out, and the officer here continues to Peter Griffin a little bit. Understandably so, he got shot in the chest. He's still in the fight. And then my favorite part of this video happens.
You want to back out of here? Nah, no, I'm getting this fucker.
My man. I had to watch that part a couple times and try to figure out what's going on. And I think what happened is he picked up that bucket from the kitchen and threw it against the door to see if the guy would shoot. But the guy didn't shoot, so he decides to breach. With his pistol, of course, because as you can see, he mag dumped the door where the guy was standing. And as I said, I think that first initial burst kind of did him in.
I don't see anything from this side.
Show me your hands!
Son of a bitch.
Show me your hands right now!
They're both on.
Yeah, don't go to it.
Don't go to that window.
Hey, I need you to stack a bomb here.
I can't show too much of this part right here because there's a lot of blood, but you can see that they had to kind of push the door open forcefully because the guy collapsed in front of the door. You already know the guy's dead when the old timer with 30 years on the job who's about to retire with the crew cut he's had since the Korean War walks up, looks down, shakes his head, and then walks out. Oh, and by the way, he got the guy, but he's still mad. Good news, though, the vest actually caught the bullet, and all he was left with was a little bruising.
You got gloves on you, boss? I can start in there.
No, I got no gloves on me. Fuck this guy.
Okay?
I got hit in the chest. I'm good, man. Motherfucker.
I'm going to end this breakdown with probably one of the most honest and best statements of the entire video. It takes place in the last second of the video that the Daytona Beach Police Department released.
You're a bad bitch, man.
Good sir, you are a bad bitch. Dude, contact me. Let me get a care package to you. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today. I'm going to be streaming over at twitch.tv/StoneOak as soon as this video is released. I hope you enjoyed the shooting breakdown. Many more to come. In the meantime, follow my vlog channel. It's my pride and joy. And have, I think that's it, bunker branding, Patreon, all that stuff, whatever. Have a fantastic day. Whacker.